Okay, welcome to another episode in CEA. This is Mr. Seward, your favorite PLTW teacher, and today we're going to be looking at activity 3.2.3 beam analysis. So here's the introduction. Once a design load has been imposed on a beam and it has been identified and qualified, a structural engineer must analyze the beam to determine the strength of it and what is necessary for it to resist applied loads. The maximum resisting forces due to design loads, particularly shear and bending moment, have to be calculated. A beam is then selected that can safely carry the required shear and bending moment. The maximum shear and bending moment can be represented using shear and moment diagrams. So down here under procedure, it says in your journal you're going to complete the following for each of the beams. Note, all beams are simply supported and are 16 feet long. All uniform loads, that is denoted by the letter W, are equal to 100 pound-feet, and all concentrated loads are noted as P equals 500 pounds. So you're going to cut out and paste the beam diagram into your engineering notebook. You'll see that in a moment. You're then going to sketch a free body diagram. You're going to then find the reaction forces / shear end shear forces using the equations of equilibrium. Then you're going to sketch the shear and moment diagrams and calculate the maximum moment. Then you're going to annotate all those diagrams with shear and moment magnitudes. Now I'm going to zoom down here. We'll go to the next page and you're going to see like simple beam, and then number 2 simple beam, and such as that. So I'm going to show you my engineering notebook right now. So here is my engineering notebook. Here is the first one. I simply cut it out and pasted it in and put it in there. These are all the calculations that the video for this particular beam runs you through. So that's number 1. There's number 2, again cut out and pasted in. Number 3 is going to be a problem that you need to solve. So this is blank for me. You will fill this in, of course. Number 4 we're going to work through together on a video. So that, and you got to pay attention to these names up here when you're looking at the videos. Number 5 is a beam that you're going to need to calculate. And then number 6 right here is the last one in the videos that I actually walk you through. So your job is to do numbers 3 and 5.